Have you ever wondered how the magic of our modern world works? How our apps, websites, games, and even our coffee makers come to life? The answer lies in the language of our digital world, coding. Welcome to the intriguing realm of coding, where ideas transform into reality, where creativity meets logic. Today, delve into the basics of coding and its fundamental concepts. Think of coding like constructing a building. The codes are the bricks and mortar, and the programming language provides the blueprint. Coding languages such as Python, JavaScript, or C++ offer different tools to construct a digital world. Start with a basic concept: variables. Variables in coding are like containers. They store data values. Imagine a box labeled apples that can hold any number of apples. In coding, the box is a variable and the apples are the data it holds. Next, consider functions. A function is like a machine. It takes an input, performs an action, and gives an output. Think of a coffee machine. Put in water and coffee beans, press a button, and out comes your morning brew. That's what a function does in coding. Now, consider loops. Loops in coding are like a repeating routine. Imagine doing the same set of exercises every morning. That's a loop. In coding, loops allow the repetition of a sequence of code until a certain condition meets. And then there are conditionals. Conditionals in coding are like decision-making moments. If it's raining, take an umbrella. If it's sunny, wear sunglasses. In coding, conditionals allow the code to make decisions based on certain conditions. Finally, there's syntax. Syntax is like grammar in a spoken language. It's the set of rules that dictate how codes must be written and organized. Just as sentences in English have a specific structure, codes in any programming language have a specific syntax. To summarize, coding is the language of our digital world. It's composed of variables, functions, loops, conditionals, and syntax. Variables are the containers that store data. Functions are the machines that take an input, perform an action, and give an output. Loops allow the repetition of code until a certain condition is met. Conditionals allow the code to make decisions based on certain conditions. And syntax is the set of rules that dictate how codes must be written and organized. In the grand scheme of things, learning to code is like learning to build. It's about understanding how to use different tools and materials to construct something from scratch. And just like building, coding is a skill that can be learned, practiced, and mastered. So dive into the world of coding, where imagination meets logic. Unleash your creativity, solve problems, and make the digital world your own. Remember, every app, every game, every digital tool that you use was once just an idea in a coder's mind. And with coding, you have the power to turn your ideas into reality. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into these concepts, exploring how they work together to create complex programs. Until then, keep imagining, keep learning, and keep coding. The digital world awaits you.